Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to know email sent or not in a Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, and the next step, open your Gmail applications. Now if you wanna know that your email is already sent or not, you just have to check on this three lines icon at the top left, and now here we just have to go to this send options here guys. And after, if there are an email in this sent folder, that means your email is already sent. If the emails isn't in this sent folder, which means your email is failed to send here guys. So you just have to resend it again. And yeah, I think it's enough for me, a tutorial how to know your email is sent or not in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.